Hi students, welcome again to our YouTube channel class, and our topic it was computer aptitude. So, this is the lesson number 2 which we have discussed earlier, the lesson 1. So, in lesson number 1 regarding our computer aptitude, we have discussed how by using the smart and shortcut method we have completed the different assignment of questions. Now, based upon this first lesson method, first lesson trick, now we are going to solve the question which has exactly come in your SBI PO main, IBPS PO main exam. Okay students, let us go about our detailed discussions of the previous year questions which is related to your computer sections. And students, this computer sections is especially come with the reasoning part, and it is known as computer aptitudes. Okay. So, in this session, students, see here the direction is given 0 to 5, 1 to 5, and in certain number system it has given that in certain number system there is a number system which is used, and it has defined certain number system. Okay. And in certain number system there are only two notations. So, students, remember, notation means symbols, mathematically it is known as symbols, and represent the symbols. One is and symbol and another is hash symbol. That means, students, remember here these are the two notations which are used in a number system. And what is the notation? The notation is another one is and symbol and another is hash symbol. Okay. And it has given in the instruction 0 is represented by and symbol and 1 is represented by hash symbol. That means 0 which is and symbol and 1 it is hash symbol. Okay. Then the subsequent numbers are represented in the following manner. So, what is the subsequent number? 2 is represented as hash and, 3 is represented as hash, 4 is represented as hash and 5 is represented as hash and. So, like that. So, clearly it has indicated that there is a instruction, and in this instruction some number are given, decimal number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a coded form. So, students, see here, two is represented as, students, see here, 2 is represented as hash and. So, what is the logic here? As we know that hash is nothing but 1 and is nothing but 0, and as the binary value of 2 is 1 0 and 1 is hash and 0 is and, that is why it is written as hash and. Like that, 3 is represented as hash. Why? Because 3 its binary number is 1 1 and hash is 1 and another 1, that is why it is hash. That means, simply we understand that here in the instruction it has given the decimal number, and 4, suppose 4 is 100 its binary number, and 100 for 1 it is hash, and for 00 it is and that is why it is written as hash and. So, simply it is giving the clearly instruction that these are the number which are decimal number, and this decimal number are represented in a binary form, and in the binary form with the help of 0 and 1 it has coded in the form of signal. So, simply, students, we should understand that first we have to convert the decimal number into binary, and after the conversion of binary form it is must be represented in the symbolical form for a coded form. So, this is the hints or logic we have clear. So, now go for the questions. So, what is the questions here, students? See here, the question is given, question number 1. The question is given, find the sum of this and this. So, now we are going to write the questions. So, what is the question? The first question is giving hash and hash and. So, what we will do, students? First we will do its the binary form. So, binary form is 1 0 1 00. So, once the binary form has completed, then converted into decimal form. So, based upon our previous lesson, as we have discussed in the previous class, the lesson 1. So, in this lesson 1 we have clear about how we will solve by using smart method using to convert the decimal to binary and binary to decimal. So, 1010 this is 10, another 0 this is 20. So, its binary number is 20. Then what will the second question? Second question is that 4 has AND symbol. So, this is nothing but 11110. So, 1111 this is 15, another 0 this is 15 into 2, that means 30. So, first number is 20, second number is 30. So, question is that what is the sum? So, sum is nothing but 30 plus 20, which will be 50. So, if the result is 50, then what is its binary value? So, 50 binary value is 110010. So, as it has given in the form of symbol, so we should decode that. So, one it is hash, then another is hash, then another is and hash and. So, let us see what will the answer. Hash and hash and. Hash and hash. So, answer is D. This is the correct answer. So, students see here, question is asking in the form of symbol, result also giving in the form of symbol. So, what we will do exactly in middle? So, here first we have to decode from symbol to binary, then from binary to decimal, then after converting of the decimal, then we are go for the operation which has defined summation or subtraction or multiplication division, and after completion of this summation or any type of operation, then again decode into symbolical form for getting the answer. So, here the answer is D. Understand? Jitendra, clear? Okay, then goes to second questions. So, what will be the second questions and what will the answer? So, students see the second question is giving what is the absolute difference between 2 times of this and square of this. Very popular question. So, students go for this question. This question is giving question number 2. It has given the absolute difference between 2 times of this and square of this. So, first we have to write the question. The question is hash and hash and hash. So, what is it? Decode form in 1 and 0. This is 1 0 1 0 1. So, 1 0 1 0 this is 10, 1 this is 21. So, 2 times of 21. So, 21 into 2 that means 42. So, one value we are taking 42. Then second is triple hash. So, triple hash is triple 1, triple 1 is 7. So, what is the 7 square? This is 49. So, one value is 49, another value is 42. So, what is the question? The question has given what is the absolute difference. So, absolute difference always be positive value. So, 49 minus 42. So, what is the answer? 7. So, if it is 7, then answer has given symbol form. Then finally, we have to convert in binary form. This is triple 1. If it is triple 1 and what is the symbol? Triple hash. Let us check. Yes, answer B is correct because triple hash is given. Clear about the concept, students? Then goes to the third questions. So, what is the third question? The third question is given 3 given number this and this, and which will be the following true. So, first we have to convert into binary form, then do the right form of decimal, then again calculate whether it is correct or wrong. Okay. So, the first number is hash and hash. So, it will be 1 0 0 1 1. So, what will the value? 1 0 0 1, this is 9, and if it is 1 then this is 19. So, first number is 19. Second is 1 0 1 1 0. So, this is 11 and this is 0, this is 22. So, second number is 22. And third is, first is 19, second is 22, and third is 1 1 0 0 1 1. So it is 12, this is 25 and this is 51 and third is 51. Let's check which one is correct. So option A, it is wrong. Option B also wrong. Option C also wrong. Option D, yes. So 51 is greater than 22 is greater than 19. Yes, answer is correct. So option D is correct. Clear? Then goes to question number 4. So students, see here, question number 4 is very interesting questions. The square root of 40% of this, what will the answer? So first we should decode this symbol into a numeric form. So what is the symbol? 1 0 1 0 0 0. So 1 0 1 0, this is 10, then it is 20 and this is 40. So what is the answer? The question is 40. Then 40% of 40 means 40 into 40 by 100. So here answer is 16. Then it is asking square root. So 16 square root, it is 4. Okay. So 4, it is nothing but 100. If it is 100, then what will the symbol? Has and. So yes, answer is E, has and. So question number 4, here answer is E, has and. Understand? Clear, students? Okay. Then goes to question number 5. So in question number 5, students, see here, the sum of this percent of this and this percent of this. So first we should decode, this is 1 0 1 0, so this is 10. Then second is 1 0 1, this is 5. So what is the concept? 10 percentage of 5. So 10% of 5 is 0.5. Then 5% of 10, this is also 0.5. So 0.5 plus 0.5, this is 1. And if it is 1, then it will be hash. Let's check whether hash is present or not. Yes, so answer is A. Clear, the students, regarding these 5 questions. So students, these are nothing but the computer aptitude, and these type of questions now coming in your IBPS PO main as well as SPA PO main exam. So these are the bunch question, and the question is asking in the form of symbol, answer also in the form of symbol. So what we will do, the exact process, students, I am telling to you. First symbol decoded into 1 and 0 form, then converted to decimal form, then do the calculation. After that, convert into 1 0 form, then convert into symbolical form. So this is the step through which the user can perform the mathematical operation which is known as computer aptitude. Clear about that, students? Question number 1 to 5. This is a bunch questions, and this questions is completed with detailed explanation. Clear? Okay, students, clear about these questions, question number 1 to 5. So this is computer aptitude and it is nothing but the logical binary operation, and this logical binary operation it is asking in the form of okay students, understand regarding this question number 1 to 5, response me in comment box whether it is understand or not regarding the first question number 1 to 5. This is the question which we have discussed with the explanation. So is it clear? Response me in comment box, yes or no? Response me in the chat box students whether it is understand or not, or again I will explain. Okay students, go to another questions. The question is nothing but a data flow diagram. So students, see here, direction from question number 6 to 10. So what is the question? The question is given, see the following structure carefully and answer the given question. A tourist Ajay want to stay in a hotel. So Ajay is a tourist and he has visited to any favorable place and he need to stay at hotel. So different conditions are given in the data flow diagram. So after analysis about the diagram, now we are going to solve the questions. So what is the diagram here students? First we have to analyze the diagram. So the diagram, it has started from Ajay. Ajay need the accommodations. Yes, Ajay need the accommodations. And visited to a hotel and meet the receptionist, and receptionist has so many term and conditions, and in this term and condition it is asking for the money 8,000 for deposit if you want to stay at hotel. So if you Ajay agree yes, then Ajay stay at hotel, if not agree then refuse to provide the accommodations. Then if Ajay is ready to stay, then check the room. So room is check whether it is found clean and attractive, yes or no. If yes, then stay in the room for 1 day. If it is not, then refuse to stay further and leave the hotel. If the Ajay is the person, if he stays for 1 day, after that the feedback has asking, and if the feedback is positive, he will stay another day, and after completion then leave the hotel. If the feedback is negative, then leave the hotel and refuse to stay further. So this is the diagram, and based upon this diagram, now we are going to solve the questions, and it is nothing but a data flow diagram. So student, there is a logic. So what is the logic here? The logic is, what is the concept which is defined in this diagram? Based upon the concept we should give the answer. There will be no assumption, there will be no prediction. Without any assumption, exact things which is defined in the diagram, accordingly we are going to solve the questions. Let's go about the questions. So students, see here, what is the questions? If Ajay want to submit 5,000 rupees. So students, in the data flow diagram, if Ajay want to stay at hotel, then he must be deposit 8,000 rupees, but here it is giving 5,000 rupees. So what will the option? Ajay will accommodate in the hotel and he will provide the room. No, this is wrong. After submitting 5,000 rupees, Ajay received the refill. No, there will be no such stuff. Let's see, let's set up that. Reception will refuse to take money from Ajay. Yes, it is correct. After submitting the Ajay will get deluxe room. No, this is wrong. So here what is the answer? Reception will refuse to take money because the condition must be matched. And what is the condition? The condition is it must be 8,000 rupees. If it has submitted 8,000 rupees, then Ajay will provide the accommodation. That's why here answer is D. Then goes to next question. Question number 7. So in question number 7, which of the following conditions shows that Ajay will not accommodated in hotel? That means it has in question asking in which condition Ajay will not accommodated. So question, let's say option, when he did not like the infrastructure. So students, regarding the infrastructure, there is not mentioned in the diagram. So if it is not mentioned in the diagram, then we cannot predict or we cannot assume. Then second, when he did not get any guide. So regarding guide in the diagram, there is no justification given is there. That's why we cannot take that. Option D, if he did not submit the required money, yes, demanded by the hotel. This is the correct, because in the DFD, in the first step it has given, if the Ajay want to stay the hotel, then it must be pay 8,000 rupees. And option E, when he was not able to communicate in the regional language. So student, this is also not be accepted, because this step also not be accepted, because this term communicate in regional language is not defined in the data flow diagram. That's why we cannot go for this conclusion. So here the conclusion is option D. Clear? Students, clear about the concept? DFD, data flow diagram, it is one type of DMAT in reasoning, decision making and analytical test. So in computer aptitude also this is now coming, and this is nothing but the data flow diagram, and we can solve this question based upon the diagram. We cannot assume, we cannot predict. Whatever the concept is defined in the diagram, based upon the concept we can solve. Understand? Okay, next goes to the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 is, which condition is sufficient to make the sure that Ajay will not stay further? So let's see, if he submits 6,000 rupees, no, it is wrong. If the feedback as given by him negative, yes, this one point is correct. If the required pub facility, it is not given. If he found the room dirty and congested, yes, this is correct. So option B and option E is correct. That's why here the answer is D. Understand? Then goes to question number 9. After which step Ajay can leave the hotel according to the data flow diagram? If he did not find the room clean and attractive, yes, for one day he can leave the hotel. Then if he gave the negative feedback, one day, yes. If Ajay has completed staying according to, yes, if he completed the 2 days of staying, then he can leave the hotel. So option A, B and D all are correct. So answer is true, means all are true. Answer is C. Then goes to question number 10. After which step Ajay can give the feedback? If he did not give 8,000 rupees, no. After 1 day staying, yes, this one is correct. All are true, no. If Ajay is not complete staying for 2 days, no. So here answer is after staying 1 day, Ajay can give the feedback, because it has clearly mentioned in the data flow diagram. So students, this is the questions which is similar to a DFD data flow diagram, and now asking in computer aptitude. So here there will be such diagram is given in a flow of data, and by analysis of this diagram we can solve the 5 questions, and there is a concept based question. So, if you clear about this diagram, then easily you can solve the questions. So, one is logical binary operations and another is data flow diagram. These are the two module of question is now coming in IBPS PO main exam as well as IBPS clerk main exam, SBI PO main exam as well as SBI clerk main exam also. So, students clear about the both term logical binary operations and data flow diagram. So, this type of questions now we have solved from data flow diagram to logical binary operation. Clear about the question, students? So, I have discussed two module of question. One is question number 1 to question number 5, this is logical binary operation, and another is question number 6 to question number 10, this is data flow diagram. Understand, students? Okay, students, thank you very much attending this class. So, in this class we have discussed about two module of computer aptitude which was asked in your IBPS PO main exam, and it was logical binary operations and another is data flow diagram. Okay. So, in the next class we are going to discuss more and more number of questions which was asked as the memory based question in IBPS PO main as well as IBPS clerk main exam. Okay. Students, thank you very much.